Hello my YouTube beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an anti-haul. I've actually never done one of these videos before, but I was inspired. I was like, you know what? I'm buying all these Christmas kits and Sephora kits. Why not go on and judge some products that I will not be buying? So if you're enjoying the video while you're watching, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I really feel like I've been good at not buying outside of my means this month. Like I feel like I've been doing good and not searching on Sephora like I normally do. See, look, it's like right here, hot holiday gifts. I do not think all of these are worth it. Alrighty, so I am seeing so many kits. It's insane. Like the only thing I'm seeing is kits. The first thing that I see that I will not be purchasing is this First Aid Beauty All That Fab. So it's a limited edition kit. It says it's a 5-piece kit with must-have skincare essentials. It actually has really good reviews, and it's not that I don't like First Aid Beauty. Their skincare never has really worked out for me, so I don't see myself spending $50 on a skincare kit. But if you have like very dry skin, this actually might be a really good kit for you. I have oily skin, so I'm gonna say no thank you to that. The second thing I will not be purchasing from Sephora this year is the Too Faced Cinnamon Bear Makeup Set. I've really been trying to get away from Too Faced. I really love their Comfort Matte Foundation. It's a really good one, but I think I've just been really disappointed with their eyeshadow palettes that they've come out with. They just don't seem very interesting. This set retails for $39, so I guess I can see like how certain people would like it, maybe if you did not have any holiday eyeshadow palettes yet, but it just seems like very similar shades that I already have in other palettes. I don't think that this is unique, really. And to be honest with you, I feel like a lot of the things that Too Faced has come out with lately has not seemed very unique or interesting to me. All right, next thing I will not be purchasing is the Natasha Denona Trio Chrome Eyeshadow Palette. This does not look like it's for me ever. It has purples and greens. I do not like green eyeshadow, and I think I was disappointed with the last Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette I got. It was like the really cool toned palette. I forget what it was called. Ooh. I just was disappointed by it, so I think I'm just a little bit more hesitant to just purchase any Natasha Denona palette that comes out. And also just like the swatches, I don't see myself ever wearing shades like this. I just don't think they go together. The shades to me just seem very bold just to be bold, but they don't really make a color story or anything that seems like it goes together. Okay, here's another set I will not be purchasing. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Norvina Pro Pigment Collection. I've never purchased like the Norvina palettes. They don't interest me. And these are 3 little mini ones, which all seem interesting, but they just don't have colors that really scream, yeah, you'll use it all the time. Like these are very colorful, intense kind of palettes. And for $50, I don't know. I just haven't been really very impressed with like the Norvina collection things that have come out, because they're just not something that I'm interested in. You know, it's not something I see myself using. Here is another set that I will not be. I see a lot of things on here that I'm like, ooh, no. This is the Huda Beauty Mini Power Bullet Matte Lipstick Duo. I was really disappointed when I got the Huda Beauty lipstick in a previous Sephora Favorites kit, and it was like so creamy that it was distracting, and I felt like it was gonna go everywhere. I did not trust it to stay on my lips, and these shades just don't seem, I don't know, they seem blah. I don't get it. And you get it, they're like mini size, and you pay $20. So I guess if you like Huda Beauty lip products, but I think that would be decent, but I just don't see myself ever wanting to try another Huda Beauty lipstick based on like what I tried the last time that I tested out a lipstick from them. Another set that I just will not be purchasing is the Sephora Favorites Mini Mistletoe Clean Highlight Set. These just seem like the Milk one I can get on board with, but the, what is it, Tower 28 and the Versailles little thing, I don't know, they seem like clear, goopy, gloppy highlights that I'm just not about. I don't like highlighters that seem like serums, and this just seems like that's what it all is. So if you have, you know, again, dry skin, you might like it, but I'm gonna set down my face with some powder, and I know this is not gonna look good on top of that powder. This is not a set, but oh my gosh, I'm not gonna spend $250 on a flat iron. There's no way. L'Oreal came out with a Steam Pod flat iron and styler. It's just not gonna happen. It says this is the before and the after. I mean, girl, if that is something that works for you, great. I'm not gonna spend $250 on a straightener. I cannot spend that amount of money. I'm sorry. Okay, next we have this. Again, not a set, but I'm never gonna use this palette. This is the Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice collection. It's like deep reds and grays. I do not wear red or gray eyeshadow. There's just no way. So I'm not gonna be, you know, purchasing that either. And it's 58 bucks. That's a lot of money to spend on a palette. The next set I'm not gonna be purchasing is from Fenty. This is the Full Snap Eyeshadow Palette and Mini Mascara Set. You can tell it's heavily discounted. It was originally $29 and it's on sale for $20.50. I don't like this eyeshadow palette. Like, I just don't think that these shades go together. I don't think that they're flattering shades. They just don't interest me. And I've never tried the mascara, but I think $29 or I guess $20 is just a lot to spend for a palette that I'm like about, and a mascara that I just don't know if I will love. Okay, I think I might pick like one or two more to do, because I feel like at this point I'm just gonna like tear these brands down. And I guess I didn't mention this in the beginning of the video. I probably should have. It's not that I don't like the brand. I think I'm more critical of like the specific product. I'm not gonna love every product from every single brand. I'm just not. And that's how everyone is. So I apologize if these are things that you are like really excited about. I just don't have any interest in these particular products, but it doesn't mean that I won't purchase from the brand in the future, you know, or doesn't mean that I don't have products sitting upstairs in my makeup collection that I do like. I'll end it here because there's no way ever I would ever purchase this. No. This is the Dr. Barbara Sturm, the winter kit. So this costs $265. It's a $389 value though. You get like these little face products that are so tiny. Look at how tiny those are. No, I'm never gonna spend $250 on tiny little things. I'm not gonna spend $250 on any skincare, anything. It's just not gonna happen. Oh my gosh, I have seen this Dr. Barbara Sturm on Sephora before, and I've just always been like, okay. And this is one that I definitely will not be getting. Why are you spending $265? You better get like the whole size, like the full size of all of these 7 different skincare products. I'm not getting little sample sizes for $250. It's just no. So there you have it. That is everything that I will not be purchasing. I'm sure there's more stuff, but I was trying to keep it specifically just to like kits. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down below if you want me to do more anti-hauls. I try really hard to be more positive on my channel. I don't really like to talk badly about brands. Up until this point on my channel, I'm not sponsored or anything, so it never like weighs my opinion because I'm being paid for something. I would like to be respectful of brands and the hard work that they put into their products. There's just some stuff that just seems like a flop to me. So again, if you want me to do more of these, let me know that down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.